Hello there everyone, hope you're all doing fine. My name is Ahmed, the founder of this channel, The Dope Code. In this video we're going to start a new series about Python. We're going to learn all the fundamentals and take our way to the experts level. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to hit the subscription button and like this video and whatsoever. Anyways, so up to this moment, all what I was doing in this channel is recording my screen and accompanying all of that with some background music, nothing else, no more, no less. But now I decided to add my voice and my instructions if you would like it. So that's it. From this video on, all my videos will be including my voice. Not all of them. I mean, some of them will be speed code using Flutter. If you don't know Flutter, you can find a link that takes you to their website in the description below. But this series will concern Python. Anyways, enough with that. Let's get started. This is the IDE I'm using. It's called. Let me see what it is called. It's called. I don't know the name. I guess it's a Sublime Text. Yeah, you'll find a link in the description below as well. Well, this is the first video, not going to do much, just showing you the very basics of Python. And let me see, first of all, here is how you write a comment. You do this hashtag sign, and whatever you type here, it doesn't get executed. Well, for example, print 1 2 3 4 5. When I execute this, hitting Control P on Windows, nothing happens here. You don't see anything printed here in the console. But if I do the same thing in the next line without putting a hashtag symbol before, you'll notice that this 1 2 3 4 5 gets executed and printed in the console. And that, the main reason why the Python team decided to add this comment is to help developers who work in teams to understand their code, and for you as well. I mean, when you are further down the code and you've spent a lot of time coding and you have more than 1 or 2 files, then having comments like this will be necessary. For example, we can describe what we've done right here by typing the next line print 1 2 3 4 5. Well, it's crystal clear that it does so, but you know, you should also know where to use them and why you should use them. Anyways, this is how you print something in Python. It doesn't matter what you print, either a number or a text. We'll get to the variables and all of that later. This video is only concerning this print function. And to end this video, we'll have to do the typical the typical print statement that every single developer had to start with. It is the hello world. There it is. And with no, I forgot to say, in Python we don't use semicolons at the end. We don't add any semicolons at the end, just like this. And that's one of the advantages of Python. You don't have to end your line with a semicolon. All what you need to do is to print whatever you want to print, and that's it. You don't use curly brackets like this, yeah, which can really be bothersome when you have tons of files. But yeah, there are other problems with Python, of course, like indentation. If you forget to add indentation or something, then an error will come to your face and slap you. Yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks very much for watching. This is the Dope Code. Please subscribe. If you don't want to, that's your business, and see you later in the next video.